Augmented reality used in field study and the advantages and disadvantages on education. This project is done by Group 5, which includes Madison, Binghuan, and Milena. What is augmented reality? Augmented reality is a 3D experience that combines features from the real world with elements generated by a computer. Augmented reality can sometimes be confused with virtual reality. However, the main way to tell the difference is that augmented reality involves features in the real world that technology builds off of. Some examples of augmented reality can be using a phone or an iPad to gain medical training by seeing your surroundings with a computerized model. Another example of using AR is when you visualize a layout plan, you can see it on a piece of technology as if it is already built. How is augmented reality used in education? Augmented reality is now starting to be used in educational ways. For example, there are some book companies that have inputted codes, such as QR codes, that can be scanned by a phone and show a 3D model. It would also be very helpful and valuable in the medical student's educational journey. This technology can be used to give a visual of possible surgeries or procedures while still being hands-on in the real world. Augmented reality advantages in education. Augmented reality technology is becoming more established every day. Teaching resources can be effectively integrated by using differential teaching equipment. This will also provide integrity that is not limited by space and time. Augmented reality also can help by improving students' memories and introduce them to relevant contexts. Augmented reality can help to stimulate interest and also gain motivation and enthusiasm in their students. Lastly, providing more convenient augmented reality technology eliminates the technical pressure of course planning. Augmented reality's disadvantages in education. There are a few disadvantages to augmented reality in education. For example, augmented reality does not yet guarantee users' privacy. Also, the funds and technologies required by augmented reality technology in education are very expensive, and the overall use of augmented reality can cause effects such as vision loss. Another problem that can occur is that the lack of security may affect the overall augmented reality principle. Conclusion. In conclusion, augmented reality is the next big thing. The expansion of augmented reality is exponentially huge as devices adapt to new technology. Almost every aspect of life that we have will revolutionize completely. Augmented reality can help students experience things first person and not just read information on a whiteboard or look at photos. Augmented reality offers immersive context to students to help them understand the concepts. Using engaging 3D models, students will be able to gain a greater understanding of complex information in an easier way. These are all of the references that we have used for our presentation. Group members and their assignments. Madison was in charge of slides 2 and 3. Milena was in charge of slide 6. Binghuan was in charge of slides 4 and 5, and all group members worked on slides 1 and 7 together.